Gals in God's grace.
Hi friends, thank you so much for stopping by today. As we speak, Trisha is away, eagerly anticipating the arrival of her new grandbaby. So you're not going to get to hear our banter today, but you will be seeing plenty of the both of us. What you are looking at right now is my overgrown and seriously neglected backyard. By the way, that tree right there was a gift from Trisha. I dug it out of her backyard and I planted it in my yard, obviously when it was much smaller, and it is huge now. Back here is my fire pit area. It is completely overgrown with weeds. Trish really is the best kind of friend to come over and help me with this disaster. It was overwhelming to myself, but she's like, nope, girl, we're going to tackle this. We're going to get it done. And let me tell you, this was no easy task. As I've said before, we live in the desert and the ground we have is clay soil, and it is super hard and rocky and difficult to work with. But when you got a friend by your side, just about anything is possible.
First things first, sunscreen. I think soap just got on my nose. Cute top. Oh, I like that.
Thank you.
That is super cute.
You like it?
Lululemon. All right. See if I get some in your. Oh, whoa, so close. Oh. There.
We're going to speed through this yard cleanup super quick because there is so much to do, but I think you'll find the transformation to be quite satisfying.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday.
So these branches kind of resemble eucalyptus to me. It's quaking aspen. Rather than throw these trimmed branches away, I decided to keep them and put them in a vase. I love doing this because it makes a dramatic impact and it literally costs me nothing but a few moments of my time.
I got you,
And you got me too.
All right, we're starting to get our piles. We're making progress. Got a lot of foliage cleaned out. We got big piles over here. We're getting the garbage bags. They're on their way. And here we are with Trisha. Hey girl, hey.
Hey, girl, hey. Oh my gosh, this is so relaxing. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but after the day I've had, it's actually pretty nice. And the weather out here is super nice.
Perfect. Nice and breezy.
And then afterwards, we're going to sit around the fire and have a glass of wine.
Oh yeah, let's keep going.
Heck yeah.
Oh, sorry. Heck yeah, let's keep going.
Well, if we're going to say all that, we're going to say booty.
Okay, booty girl.
Okay, we're good now.
Okay.
I've been saving, I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that
This rosemary bush was in some desperate need of trimming, and I obviously don't know what I'm doing, but I don't ever let that stop me. Whenever I see a project that needs to be done, I just get in there and take care of it.
Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
This here is a pile of trimmings that I took from my tree, and I just made a pile, and Trish and I are breaking up the sticks for kindling for my fire. Whenever I have a chance to reuse anything, I go ahead and do that. It just saves a lot of money. So a very nice gentleman gave me these fall crocuses bulbs, and my plan is to plant them along this edgeway of the grass all the way down to that tree, so that when I come out in the fall, there will be a line of pink flowers all along the back fence line. Hi, Phoebe.
I need someone to talk to, get this pain on my chest. All the bad things I've done, and the people I've hurt. Wanna take that part of me and leave it in the dirt. Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? Oh, save me, save, save me.
So we got these corner areas cleaned out. It's really windy today, so I need a non-windy day to get all of the leaves and dirt spread out. But we got all of the things removed that we're not using. This is a great little tip if you need a place to hang your hose. We just took an old bucket and we nailed it to the wall, and you can wrap your hose around it, and then also you have room inside. We put a sprinkler there. You can just add some things for your garden there. And it's a handy little tool for your garden at a very inexpensive price. Trish mowed the grass. And of course this area, I need to get some seed so that the grass will grow in those bare areas. All a work in progress. We picked up the leaf piles / weed piles. These are all the things that we picked up, ready for the trash. And we're basically ready for a blank canvas for a rehearsal dinner for Kyra's wedding. There's Coco. We're probably gonna throw that bed away. It's all ruined now that it's been outside. And we're going to use these pallets for signs for the wedding. I'm going to whitewash them and then put some wording on them for the wedding. Not quite sure what yet, but they will be repurposed. And that's it for now. Until next time, we're going to have the rehearsal dinner.
Wanna tear down the curtains, let the sun shine in. Oh, I I've been seeking forgiveness, 'cause I know I was wrong.